Good morning, welcome to a new vlog. It is Sunday today. I'm starting a day early because I'm only filming until Wednesday this week because obviously, well, technically Thursday because we're off on Thursday, but that's actually going to be in next week's video as well. Very confusing, but we're actually just at the park right now. Sam's doing a quick Instagram pic before we can tuck into the food and like chill and enjoy life. We're actually in Greenwich, which is near Sam's house but kind of near us. It's like a nice middle ground, but it's really, really nice and chilled here. Like, it's so nice and relaxing. There's a giant helicopter that you can probably hear right now. We're literally just sat in like the cutest little spot and enjoying. We have so much food as well. We've literally just like raided M&S along with every other person in this park and just bought like ridiculous amounts of snacks. And then Sam's doing this whole thing with his tequila bottle. I think we need to eat those macaroons because they'll go really gooey, won't they?
Let's eat them.
Okay, let's eat.
Sit on the bench.
Do we have to?
Yeah, just here.
We're just leaving Greenwich now. I think we've been here for like 3 or 4 hours. We've literally been ages, but we're going to head back over to our house and get some food and stuff. My glasses always look so wonky when I vlog. It's like when I put them all the way up my nose. I don't know. Either way, yeah, we're gonna.
Quite small in frame, if that's okay.
We're gonna go back and get some food and chill at ours because it's getting very warm, and I think we're all like burning a little bit, but we will see. Good morning. It's actually Thursday. No, it's Tuesday. My days of the week are thrown off because we're leaving on Thursday. I have not vlogged much at all and I don't really know what to do with the vlogs that I've done so far. I think I did like a 2-second vlog on Sunday, maybe a tiny little bit yesterday, like 1 clip, and then today. So I'm thinking what I might do is spam you with content today because of the fact that I'm having a morning editing and filming and whatever. Then I'm going to meet Sam to shoot some stuff in the History Museum. Then I'm going to meet Alice for a premiere of, what's it called? Life of the Party, I think. The Melissa McCarthy one where she goes back to college. So that's going to be really cool, really fun. I haven't really met Alice before. Like, we've spoken before and stuff, obviously, and we watched these videos, but I've not actually met her, so that's going to be really, really cool. And then tomorrow, it's going to be full of packing. I also need to film a whole lookbook, which is going to be it's going to be traumatic. Traumatic is the word I'm looking for, because I was meant to film it yesterday, but Adrian's got a really sore back. Like, we think he's got like a fever. You know how he's ended up with a fever in the heat, but he's just like really achy and dehydrated and he just doesn't feel the best. So basically we haven't been able to get that done. So I filmed videos yesterday and then we went out for a drink with his cousin, and then today he's off to meet his friend from Australia. Oh god, oh. I might actually see if Sam can start filming some of the lookbook with me if I take maybe like 2 outfits, because I need to get something done. And it can obviously be filmed by 2 people, that's fine. But yeah, so I'm going to sit down and get some videos filmed. I have slightly messed up the order that the videos are going in because I realised the order I put them in on the vlog was slightly wrong. And also because I just haven't been able to get this one for today done in time. So, oh, you're a bit dirty. So I've switched it up, so the Wish one is going to be coming today, then the one on Thursday. You're going to have seen these by the time, but yeah, I've just changed around like the Wish one and the South Africa haul and stuff, so they're all coming in a slightly different order, but nonetheless, it's still there, it's still good, it's fine. Just washed my hair and realised that it will dry quicker if I'm outside, and also our balcony is currently in the sun, which only happens till about 12-ish. Like, we're not sure the exact time we lose sun, but it's around 12, so I figured, while it's only 10 o'clock, I think, yeah, it's 10 past 10 in the morning, so I thought I'll just sit out on the balcony, let my hair dry, put my headphones on. I can still hear the doorbell, I can still hear if Adrian comes back because he's picking up his friend who, he actually went to school with this guy when he was like a little baby, like primary school, and then they lost contact when they were about 12 because Shane, the guy he's meeting, moved to Australia, so this is the first time they've seen each other in like 10 years or something, so it's quite cool. But yeah, he's going to pick him up from the station, and then I think we're going to like sightsee for the day with him or something. Then I'm meeting Sam at 2 to go to Natural History Museum, blah blah, I've already told you all that. But yeah, I'm gonna go sit outside, try and edit a couple more of the videos that need to be going up while I am away, which is starting to really stress me out. If it wasn't for the fact the signal's so bad when we're in Cape Town, I would have edited on the plane, but like the South African Wi-Fi situ is dreadful. Like, I know our Airbnb that we're booking has like uncapped internet, but it doesn't mean it's fast. Like, it means it's very, very, very slow. So I'm gonna have to kind of like put things to upload over the whole day or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna head out now and get some stuff done. Yeah, cool. Go. Apologies about the noise. I'm having to leave the door open because it's just so hot in my apartment. Like, I don't know if you can read this, but this currently says 24.5 and it's been on 26 for the last 2 days. But I'm just planning the first 2 looks for my wearing white denim lookbook, but I'm just trying to work out what to put in it because quite honestly I don't really know like what to. I feel like there's only so many ways that I wear white denim that I don't really know like what to do, but I'm gonna have a little think about ways that I've worn them before that I maybe haven't thought of right now. But yeah, I'm just gonna get on. I've got one outfit here that is like the yellow blazer vibe, and then I've got an all white look, that kind of thing. It's going dandy dandy. Gonna keep going. I'll set you up on a time lapse. Right, packed. I've got 3 outfits to do for the lookbook. I just need to put my mascara on and then drink another coffee, finish editing this video, and then I'm going to meet Sam in a little bit. So hopefully I might be able to put a tiny snippet into this vlog of the lookbook that I filmed. Hopefully, I'm not 100% sure. Also, while I'm on the topic, if we just have a little look at my hair right now. So my hair is seeming to get a lot more tamed. Apologies for the noise. My hair is getting a lot more tame, so like if I bring it all forward, so this is literally all my hair, but as you can see it's getting a lot more like flat, which I know that sounds a really strange things to want, but I find it really hard to keep my natural hair under control because there's so much of it. I thought I would show you 2 hero products of mine that I'm actually loving right now, because I've been using them the last like week or so, and I've noticed my hair just looking so much better. So this is the 2 products. After my shower, I basically just put both of these on. So I put this one in, I just towel dry my hair and then put this one in. So this is the No Haircut Cream Dream Lengths Elvive L'Oreal blah de blah. This is really good kind of just after you've towel dried before you brush. Then you obviously brush it through. And then once I've brushed and towel dried again, I put a tiny bit of this in, which is a sleek serum. And then I end up with really nice looking natural hair that I'm actually kind of loving. So I think I'm going to be using those, because normally I do actually love having my hair natural because I actually really like my natural wave, but yeah, it just didn't go very well for a while. It was a bit frizzy, so I'm glad I found a product that works, and one that means that I can wear my hair natural again. God, I look really washed out and gross. Yeah. Just go over here. Hang on, let's find a good light. Here's not actually as bad.
I'm so tall though.
I have just met Alice.
Hello.
First time.
I know.
I feel like we've known each other ages.
Yeah, same. I was saying this earlier to my vlog.
I literally feel like I've known you years, but I think it's because we've always like spoken or like watched each other.
We basically just stalked each other for 4 years. Now
you look blue right now.
I know. Why am I a Smurf?
I don't know. But anyway, we are at the premiere of Life of the Party. Alice kindly invited me as her +1, so I've just got to get some pictures and stuff and then head in.
I've found drinks.
Yeah, we've already found the drinks, canapes as well. We've been offered so many and we ignored them in the toilet, but we're gonna go have a bit of fun, I think. Yeah, I think this guy wants some pictures, so should we?
Let's get some photos. Hopefully we don't look too sweaty.
I mean, we'll just blame it on highlight. Highlight on point. Could I be any more of a weirdo? Like, I feel like everyone else goes for something cute and I'm like,
yeah, I opted for the
you've got the mini ears. Yeah. I'm like, nah, all about pineapple. Should we actually start?
Yeah, we've not actually pressed the button yet.
I look really brown next to you.
Yeah, I know. I'm the palest person in the world. I'm glad I did see you after you came back from South Africa.
Okay, you can tell we don't know what to do in a photo booth. It's not even focusing. Hi guys, as you can tell it is the next day. I didn't really finish the vlog yesterday because I got home and I just didn't feel quite right. I just felt a bit funny, so I FaceTimed my friend Hayley as always and just kind of had a chat with her till I went to bed. Then Adrian got home obviously a little bit later because he went out with his friend. I think I mentioned that already. So I just filmed a couple of videos, like cutaways and stuff while she was on FaceTime to me, just so I could kind of still be productive while having someone like helping me out a bit. Woken up this morning and Adrian's not feeling right, I'm not feeling right, so we've kind of had a morning of just chilling. He's still in bed and eating Crave cereal right now because we just both don't feel that great. So I'm attempting to kind of be up and packing because I really desperately need to pack. So I figured I'd just get it done while I'm in a slightly up mood, just make sure that I've got everything ready, because the worst thing is packing last minute, and I've normally packed by now, haven't I? So I've normally packed like 4 days before.
You've normally packed and repacked about 7 times by now.
And I've not packed once. Is that a good thing or a bad thing that I haven't packed yet? But either way, I actually need to sit down and pack. So we've got a chill playlist on because I find they really help me just like get in my head in the good way, like I can focus more and stuff. Also, I picked up this yesterday, which I thought I'd show you. I'm also losing battery quite quickly. I picked up this Harley Davidson t-shirt in Rocket. It was like 18 quid or something, which is quite a lot, but I just really liked it. And then on the back it's got like a bit of a design as well, but I fell in love with the colour of it. It's like a really nice kind of like very pale yellow, like creamy colour, and it's actually a men's medium, so AD can also wear this if he chooses to. Would you wear this? Would you actually? I quite like it. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get on and pack. Obviously I'm just wearing a t-shirt, but I figured it's basically a dress on me, so I could get away with it. But yeah, gonna get on and pack. Just received this parcel from Lounge. How cute is this? They've given me a gift box with some of their undies in, and it just says, have a lovely holiday, enjoy lounging with your new set. Then it's got like their Instagram pictures for a bit of inspo. But how nice is this packaging? It's all like in the little box. It looks really cute. And then when you open it up, can I get into it? There's just 2 sets in these little black bags, which I think is like the classic way that they send them. And then there's 2 just in the Lounge gift wrap. So you can actually get them gift wrapped if you wanted to give them as a present. So these are the sets they sent me. I don't know if it's like correct protocol to put these on in a little try on bit of the video. We'll give it a go maybe, but I just got the classic set in the kind of sandy colour because I thought it was a really nice colour for if I've got a tan, and it just looks really nice. I got the classic white. These 2 are not thongs, I just kind of wanted like proper pants. This is just the classic white lace one with the black outliney bits. Then these 2 are the same styles, they're like the balcony ones, but I just really liked the green and the white because the khaki is obviously really nice, bit different, and these are both obviously these pants. So yeah, thank you very much to Lounge because these are all pretty cute. Okay, I've decided to just go for it because you are going to get this in a video anyway. I'm just not going to turn around because that's a bit weird. So this is like the first balcony one, and it's really cute. I kind of love the lace. I just think it looks really flattering on. Basically like seeing me wearing a bikini, essentially. But yeah, this is the first one. Oh, it's not even focusing. Doesn't want to see me. This is the green set, exactly the same again, but obviously green. This is really cringing me out that I'm doing this. Okay, number 3 is this one. So this is like the classic lace ones. Okay, and this is the final one, which is like the classic sand colour. The top is a tiny bit big, but I think I just need to adjust it and like manoeuvre it around a bit. But this is probably my favourite one because it's just the most comfortable, obviously because it's like the classic set. But yeah, that's basically all of it. Now I can stop feeling weird and awkward in my undies. A nightmare over 20 minutes. I've been running around to various post offices picking up various different parcels and stuff, and hang on, let me cross the road, it's very windy, thank you. So I don't even know if you can hear me because it's very windy right now, but I've had to run to like 3 different post offices to pick up parcels, and obviously where my business is Copper Garden, sometimes my parcels are under Jess Copper and not my name, so I've had like no end of issue trying to pick things up because post offices don't realise that like my name is my name and it's not always the name on my parcels. So I'm on the way home. We have about 3 hours before we need to leave for the airport. Still haven't really packed. Very stressed out. You probably can't even hear me, so the end of this week's vlog is not going to be how I expected it. I wanted it to be all chilled, like a cool little silky bus walking out the house to the airport. No, it never happens like that, does it? Because this is real life. It's not a movie. We are on an iPhone vlog. I just thought I would end this week's vlog here because, as you can see, this one is passed out on the background, and I don't think we're going to get too much of Thursday filmed because I've literally been running around all morning. It's been absolute chaos, and to be completely honest, it's just not happened the way that I normally have, like airport day kind of vibe. Like we leave in an hour and I'm not even wearing trousers, I'm literally in a t-shirt, so that's how today's going. But I think I might give it a kind of end here Next week's video is obviously going to be from the airport onwards, so it's our week in Cape Town and then all that kind of thing. So really excited for that one. I literally cannot wait for you guys to see the next few vlogs, because the last couple have been a bit shoddy. They're not the best I've ever done, they're a bit patchy, but it's because I've been planning and doing so much that when I'm away there's going to be loads of content and stuff, and I've been just kind of trying to get collaborations sorted and that kind of thing in preparation, so it's been like a really hectic few weeks, but I have faith that everything is going to be fine. I know that some of the stuff that we're doing you guys are going to absolutely love. It's going to be very different to like previous trips to Cape Town and stuff, and then obviously Sam is going to be joining us out in South Africa on the 23rd, so I think he comes on a weekend. Is it a weekend he comes, or like midweek? Either way, there'll be like a week and a bit and then he's with us as well, so I really can't wait to share South Africa with you guys again. You know, it's like my second home and I absolutely love it there, and yeah, really excited. Currently just finishing off the edit of this week's vlog, but I hope you enjoyed it. Really sorry again that the last couple haven't been the best, but can't wait to show you the next ones, and I'll see you in my next video. Adrian, are you going to say goodbye for the airport?